Hello, in this short lesson I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is that if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is very simple. The universe was created from nothing. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations is actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space, and actually those changes in energy can create virtual particles, and from that virtual particles real particles can be created, and from real particles a matter can be created, and that matter is actually our universe. So that is the answer to the first question, how the universe was created. The answer to the second question, who created nothing, is also very simple. Nothing was never created because nothing always existed. Okay, so I can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created from nothing, that is also quantum fluctuations, and that nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.